Imagine pulling up to the city skyline, and instead of a building stealing the spotlight, it's the vehicle in front of you. What you're looking at right now isn't just a motorhome, it's a futuristic luxury residence on wheels, a rolling architectural masterpiece that looks like it was designed for the year 2050. From the moment this motorhome comes into view, it feels unreal. The glass walls, the sharp geometric lines, the glowing LED accents, everything about it screams ultra-luxury and next-level design. This isn't an RV meant for camping. This is a statement, a mobile penthouse built for those who want to live without limits. Let's start with the exterior, because honestly, it's impossible to ignore. The design is bold, futuristic, and completely unlike anything on the road today. The entire structure looks like a modern luxury home that somehow learned how to move. Floor-to-ceiling glass panels wrap around the body, creating a transparent, open feel while still maintaining privacy with tinted finishes. The LED light strips trace the edges of the motorhome, glowing softly at night and giving it that cyberpunk high-tech presence. Even when it's parked, it feels alive. The shape is aerodynamic yet architectural, blending smooth curves with sharp, confident angles. And the two-level layout? That's where things get truly insane. This is not a bus conversion. This is a full-on mobile mansion. As you step inside, the atmosphere completely changes. You're no longer in a vehicle, you're in a luxury residence. The first thing you notice is space, open, airy, and flooded with natural light. Thanks to the massive glass walls, the interior feels twice as large as it actually is. The lighting is soft and ambient, running along the walls and ceilings, giving the space a calm, upscale glow. Every surface feels intentional, from the high-end flooring to the modern textures and finishes. This isn't built for utility, it's built for experience. The main lounge area is nothing short of breathtaking. Plush seating is arranged like a high-end living room, facing a stylish entertainment wall. You can imagine sitting here at night, city lights reflecting off the glass while the interior glows with warm tones. The design is clean, modern, and minimal, but still incredibly luxurious. It feels like something you'd find in a luxury skyscraper apartment, not something that can drive down a highway. One of the most impressive features is how seamlessly indoor and outdoor living blend together. With the glass walls and wide-open layout, you're constantly connected to your surroundings. Park this by the ocean, in the mountains, or in the middle of a city, and it instantly becomes part of the environment. It's not just travel, it's immersive living. Moving deeper inside, the upper level adds an entirely new dimension to this motorhome. This isn't just extra space, it's a private retreat. Whether it's used as a lounge, office, or bedroom, the elevated floor gives you panoramic views in every direction. Imagine waking up here, surrounded by glass, watching the sunrise from your bed, or enjoying the skyline at night. It's the kind of experience most people only get in luxury hotels or penthouses. And speaking of bedrooms, this motorhome doesn't compromise. The sleeping area is designed for comfort and privacy, featuring premium materials, soft lighting, and a layout that feels calm and relaxing. It's not cramped or cluttered, it's spacious, modern, and thoughtfully designed. You could live here full-time and never feel like you're missing out on comfort. Now let's talk about the bathroom, because this is where most RVs fall short, but not this one. The bathroom feels like something straight out of a high-end spa. Clean lines, modern fixtures, elegant lighting, and a sense of openness that's rare in mobile living. Everything is designed to feel luxurious yet practical, combining beauty with functionality. This is the kind of bathroom you'd expect in a designer apartment, not a vehicle. The kitchen is equally impressive. Sleek countertops, modern appliances, hidden storage, and an open layout make it perfect for both casual meals and full cooking sessions. Whether you're making a quick coffee in the morning or preparing a full dinner, everything you need is right there, and it all looks stunning while doing it. The design balances minimalism and luxury perfectly, making the space feel clean, efficient, and premium. What truly sets this motorhome apart, though, is the feeling it gives you. It doesn't feel like you're traveling, it feels like you're taking your home with you wherever you go. No hotels, no compromises, just freedom, comfort, and luxury in motion. It's designed for people who want to experience the world without giving up the lifestyle they're used to. Now, let's talk about the reality, the price. A motorhome like this isn't built for the average buyer. With this level of design, technology, customization, and craftsmanship, you're easily looking at a price tag in the multi-million-dollar range. This is for entrepreneurs, celebrities, visionaries, people who see travel as an extension of their lifestyle, not a limitation. It's not about getting from point A to point B, it's about how you live along the way. So now, the big question, what do you think? Is this the future of luxury travel? Would you live in a motorhome like this, or is it just too much? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I really want to hear your opinion. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most futuristic motorhomes ever designed, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the next review is going to be even more mind-blowing. Let me know what you want to see next. A floating luxury home, a billion-dollar yacht, or the world's most expensive RV?